to Facebook Live with me. Thank you for joining me. So today we are going to touch upon the topic of how can we be more approachable and available to our close relationships, to our other resources like money, love, support, appreciation, and other things. And we'll dwell more with relationships today. So I think just there's a setting to be done. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to start with asking you a question. Okay. That at school, in college, in office, or at home, with family or with relatives, do you feel that in spite of not having said anything verbally or having not done any action, people still feel withdrawn? They feel somehow still keep away from you, and you keep wondering that what's gone wrong. You haven't done anything, you haven't said anything, why are people so withdrawn from you? So do you ever ask this question? Yeah. So if you have asked this question and you have not understood why, then I have good news for you. Because I am going to help you decode what exactly is happening. Okay. So before we understand, we need to know that there is everything has its origin in thought. So it's the thought that creates our physical reality. If you have an adverse thought, it has a subsequent emotion, and that creates a certain energy disturbance. And that energy disturbance is in the form of an energy block or an unseen barrier or a wall around us. For example, if you have a fear of being, if you have a thought of and an emotion of being fearful of being rejected or emotionally hurt, now that fear can actually form an energetic block around you in the form of a wall, which people then find very difficult to penetrate. And they just get this, they just, without even consciously being aware, obviously because they can't see that block, they just seem to be withdrawn from you. It's like, if in layman's language, we call it the vibe. So when you go to certain places, you just don't know, but you feel that vibe. You feel that good vibe or that uncomfortable vibe. So it's something like that. So I'm going to step by step tell you what could be these adverse thoughts that you're not even consciously aware of, but they are there and they are somewhere creating that unseen block or that wall. Okay. So the first could be the fear of vulnerability. So you could be fearful of being rejected. You could be fearful of being hurt, of being humiliated, of being dishonored. And the fear becomes so large that it at the subconscious level and that you're not even sometimes aware of that can create this wall around you where people just cannot penetrate. It's like you're in this cocoon and you keep wondering why are people so withdrawn, right? Okay. Second could be your vulnerability to other judgment. So a lot of times you must have realized that maybe you were more approachable, more available to people before. And because of that, people judged you or created an image that, she's always free. You just call her and she'll be free, she'll talk to you. So there's no problem. And sometimes you don't like that image about yourself, where everybody thinking that you have no important work. And you make a strong intent that I am going to not be so approachable, so that somewhere people think I'm busy. I am doing productive work. So that intent can create this wall around you. Another reason of this adverse thought is that you have your own image that you've created. So for whatever reason, when you were growing up, some of us have created this image of this angry young man, or this withdrawn, depressed individual, or like this anxious loner. So we have created such beliefs and such strong image about ourselves that it's very difficult for people to even penetrate through that. And we have also created such a larger than life image that sometimes we also find it difficult to transcend it and go beyond it. and that creates a barrier. Like sometimes, with with my father, sometimes that image was so strong that I didn't even sometimes in my childhood didn't see the kind of love he actually had and has for me. So okay, then another reason could be social hierarchy. So some people are not comfortable if they're approached by people who are lower in their social hierarchy or in their social status. They are only comfortable if people of their equal hierarchy or people above them at work or at business or in their social standing approach them. Now, because of that intent, you would not be approachable and available to a lot of people and a large part of the section of the society. Okay. Now, very interesting reason also in the thought level could be that we don't have time. So this, I think, we all relate to immensely because in the olden days, if you see, there was no WhatsApp, there was no Facebook, there was not this kind of internet and this ease of communicating through phone calls. There were distances were larger, but still people were more available. They were more there for each other. There was like a whole ecosystem where everybody's there for each other. And however, with greater economic revolution, technological revolution, and everything today's time, especially in our country, I feel we have confined ourselves. We have such strict boundaries around ourselves that we don't have time for for most of the people who are even important to us. So I understand it is a subjective story, and people generally at times can be busy. But truly ask yourself. So you know somewhere that you will give time to whatever is important to you. So whatever is your priority, you will give it time. So if you are not giving time to the people in your close relationship, then you need to ask yourself this question, that who is your priority? Are people around you your priority? Or are you only your own priority? Like if you look at great leaders, so it's not really about time. It's like with great leaders, they were busy, they had a social standing, but they were somewhere always available to the common person. In some ways, they always found creative ways to accommodate and be approachable to people who could fit into their whole vision. So you need to decide what is it that you want to avail.